Hello again, everyone, and welcome back to the channel. We continue on our 11-day journey aboard the beautiful Carnival Venezia, and today we are stopping in Aruba, and then the next day we are headed to Curaçao. So today is our Aruba and then our Curaçao visit. So let's get into it. We are going to step out and see both of these beautiful places. We're going to do some shopping. We're going to do some eating, some sightseeing. Let's get into it right now. It is day 5 of the cruise, and we are down here this morning. As you see, I haven't done my hair yet, for our breakfast before we get off of the ship. Today is our first day on board. No, let me say it better. Today is the next stop that we have, which is the first time we've been off the ship in 2 days, and that is Aruba. One happy island, which is one of our favorite islands. And as we sit here eating breakfast, it is coming into view. Let me show you.
We have time, we can go outside.
The restaurant is so beautiful, I gotta take one more shot. And guest services is right over here on deck 3. This is the deck that you walk onto when you first enter the ship. It's not very big at all, but they do a good job and they keep it moving pretty well. Wow. All right, everybody, coming back from our breakfast on our first stop, well, not our first, but our stop in Aruba, and he was waiting on our pillow. Tell me, what is his name and what is he? I wanted to take a moment to show you the Carnival gifts that you get for being in the VIFP club. And you know, there's a lot of controversy on that, but that's a video for another day. So when you become, everybody gets your pin. So this is the 2026 pin, and we are now platinum. So that is what that looks like. And then here is your Carnival branded gift. It is a little mini water bottle, and it has the little ring on the side so that you can hook it to yourself. Insulated water bottle. I think it is very cool. So here are your platinum gifts for 2026. My mom and sister said I really look like a tourist as we head out to Aruba. What do you think? Tourist? I don't care. Let's go play. Pomodoro, Mexican-Italian fusion. They have tacos, burritos, Italian meatballs, Sicilian chicken wrap, and tortellini Milanese. And then they have a toppings bar as well. So as soon as you exit the ship in Aruba, right across the way, there is this big structure that you go into, and here it is. It's this large indoor shopping mall. I don't know if it's really called a mall, but there's everything in here. You can get clothing, shoes, food, soaps. There is everything. So this is the first place that you go right outside the ship when you arrive. First steps outside of Aruba, and oh my gosh, it is windy. The wind knocked my hat right off my head. That's what all of this is going on. I was going to take it out of the video, but I just kept it in because it was windy. All right, you'll see that as we continue. Are here shopping. Well, we're walking in Aruba, and the one thing that I can say is there are plenty of shops in Aruba. It is super windy, so I gotta hold on to my hat. Whoa. But there are so many shops. As soon as you exit the cruise ship, there is like a little store entry area way that you go into, plenty of shops, and then you walk outside of that area, and there are plenty of shops. So if you're looking to shop, plenty to do. And of course, there's all kind of people standing there asking you if you would like to take a tour. So all of that is available. And today, plenty of wind as well. Here is the Aruba downtown trolley. This is completely free. The whole circuit takes about 40 to 45 minutes. You can get on at the cruise terminal, hop on, hop off, go to the vibrant downtown shopping area. So a really cool option that's completely free. The last time we came to Aruba, we came to this restaurant called Lucy's and sat out here by the marina. It's right across the street from the casino and all of the high-end stores. And we're here again. And there is the look of our ship. Look at the restaurant itself. It's a very windy day, guys. And when I say very windy, this is what I mean. My hat, it blew off. You have to walk by and hold it. It's a very windy day, but that does not stop the party. We are in Aruba, which is better than being at home and at work any day. We're about to sit down and just chill out a little bit, relax our feet, get something to eat, drink, before we head back to do a little bit more shopping and head back to the ship. Thank you. We decided to start off with some ceviche. Yummy, y'all. And then we got some drinks, the blue Rita, and then they got some strawberry margaritas.
Look at the mermaid. Yeah. Oh, how do they have it on it? Oh.
Cheers!
Cheers. Okay. Take the cheers, beautiful ladies. Cheers. Take this.
We ended our day in Aruba, came back onto the ship, and had pizza for dinner. It was a slow night. We just really chilled, went back to the room, hung out, and now we're going to pick up on our next day, headed out to Curaçao. Okay, this is day 6 of our 11-day cruise. You see, I'm holding on to my hat because boy, oh boy, is it windy once again. We are in the Isle of Curaçao. So let's go and see what we can explore. It's very windy, but beautiful day on Curaçao. Let's take a visit through Curaçao. Now, we did not go on any excursions. We've been to Curaçao several times. So we just walked through this beautiful place, and then my mother and sister, of course, they did what they do. They shopped because they are shoppers. And I did what I do. I sat down and waited for them and took lots of videos and pictures. So come along with me. One thing that you see here in Curaçao, just like in Aruba, there are plenty of places to shop. Now, as soon as you step a little bit outside of the cruise port terminal there, they have all these tents, big, huge tents set up. And thank God for that, because, you know, that Caribbean sun. And they have all of these places over here where the vendors are in full swing. You can get anything that you can possibly think of. You can get shoes and clothes, there's food, there's bars. You can get all types of sundries, anything that you're looking for, all of the things that you want to get if you want to pick up some souvenirs. And then they have these places over here as well where you can find tours and like medical supplies, little stuff like that. As we traveled further along, there was some information about Curaçao, and I kind of remembered that from our last visit. So they have these little informational tablets set up, and you can get information about the history and the people of Curaçao. And when I'm visiting a place, that's always what I want to know. Tell me about the place. I want to get some information on the history, the people, the food, the architecture. So after you see these cute little shoes, I will give you the chance to read a little bit more about Curaçao. All right, we are back from Curaçao, and this is the friend that we had meet us in the room. Tell me, everyone, down in the comments, what is he? What's the name? I'm waiting to hear from you. Even from my bedroom porthole window, well, it's bigger than a porthole, I get the opportunity to see our sail away. Isn't that cool? This is the first time we've ever been on the first floor, and I had a lot of doubts about it, but it actually has worked out pretty well. Yeah, we like being, you know, after you come back from a tour, you can just come inside and walk up one flight of stairs and you're in your room, where most people are standing huddled at the elevator, hot and bothered trying to get in. None of that for us. It's been pretty cool to be on the first floor. All right, this is the sail away from Curaçao. This is day 6, and we are in the formal dining room, and I want to show you what we are eating for tonight. I got the bourbon glazed spare ribs, and then I'm going to show you my mom's meal. She got the pork chops. My sister got the salmon. I've already showed you that. I started off the meal with shrimp cocktail, and I already showed you that. So check out the other that I've just talked about. Here is the beef short ribs. It's bourbon glazed beef ribs. I'll let you know how those are. And this is the pork chop. And I'll also fill you in and let you know how that is. Strawberry poke cake? Strawberry poke cake. However, it looks good, right? Yeah. So the end of the evening is one of the most fun things that we really like to do. It's the silent party, and if I had this volume turned up right now, you realize that it's not silent at all. People are singing out loud and clapping and dancing, and this party is so much fun. This is how we ended these 2 days. So thank you so much for joining me. I love that you are taking this 11-day cruise adventure right along with us. These journey cruises are so much fun. You spend more time on the ship and you get to go to some of the most wonderful ports and usually a private island. Thank you once again for joining us, and continue on with the adventure. We're going to St. Thomas. Thanks so much for joining us, and we'll catch you at the next adventure.